Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to change phone number on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. After it open, take a look on the right top, you will see 3 dots. Tap on these, and tap on the last option settings and privacy. And here you will see the option account on the first number. Tap on it. And on the 5th number, you can find the option change number. Tap on it. And you can read here, changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups, and setting. Before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or call at your new number. So before adding a new number, make sure your number is on and the SIM is in your mobile phone so you can receive the confirmation code from WhatsApp. So after making sure, tap on the option Next, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. And on the first number, you have to write your old phone number. And on the second number, you have to write your new phone number with the country code, and you can write the country call by tapping on this 92 and write your country code, and then tap on the option Next. And WhatsApp will send a confirmation code on your new number, and after adding your confirmation code, your number will be added to WhatsApp. It's the fundamental way by which you can add new number on WhatsApp.